So let's come back to the main question that we started off with. So whenever you are developing something, if you're an engineer or if you are a computer scientist, you're supposed to be developing a software or a machine, you should be asking yourself first what would be the main components of that machine. Similarly, here we were interested in finding out what would be the main components of any program in general we write. So input, process, and output. So again, there are many forms of input. We can give input to computer program through keyboard, through external signal, through like reading the data from a file, downloading data from internet or whatever. But assuming that we are learning it for the first time, Python is specific, so there is a simple function that we can use to take input from users. Okay. Now, if you are learning programming for the first time, you might ask that what do I mean by function? So in ordinary language, consider term function as a tool. Okay, recall the example that I gave about fixing the lock. So in order to fix the lock, I need some tools like a screwdriver or hammer or whatever. I do not need to reinvent those tools or redevelop or recreate those tools. As long as I have it, I would use it. Similarly, input is the function or the tool that is available in Python, which helps us, our computer program, to take the input from a user through keyboard. Okay. Similarly, once we take an input, so for example, if you are interacting with the calculator, you provide input, let's say 2 plus 2. So what happens, it collects the input and then performs or process those input, performs the addition, and then display the output on the screen. So in Python, we can use another tool or a function called print. Whatever we pass in this, it will display on the computer screen. Understand? Any question?